Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ring Protect through Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your credentials. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Ring Protect and press enter on your keyboard. Look for the official Ring Protect subscription options in the search results. Select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Carefully review the details of the subscription, including pricing and features. After deciding on a plan, click the Add to Cart button. You will be redirected to your shopping cart where you can verify your selection. If everything looks correct, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. If necessary, update your shipping address, although this may not apply to a digital subscription. Review your order summary to ensure accuracy. When ready, click the Place Your Order button to complete the purchase. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription shortly after completing your order. Log into your Ring app or website using your Ring account to verify that your subscription is active. Explore the features available to you with your new Ring Protect subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.